Yo guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account and gift yourself V-Bucks and cosmetics. This is completely working, and as you guys can see, I can actually claim these V-Bucks and it will appear. But as you guys can see, I also do have the Renegade Raider with every single skin, and I can also gift myself every cosmetic and every skin. For example, we can do gift all skins and then press gift, and then it will say done, and then we can simply just go into the locker and then change one of our skins, and it will automatically appear. It will show a gift, and then we can press open, and we will automatically get every single skin in the game for completely free. This is actually insane, and you guys can take advantage of this. As you guys can see, we literally gifted ourselves OG skins from this, which is actually crazy. Make sure to watch the full entire video. But without further ado, let's get straight on to the tutorial. Alright guys, what you guys want to do is actually close out of Fortnite if you guys are in Fortnite, and then you guys want to go into the link of the description, and once you guys are in the link of the description, you guys want to go onto my Discord server. The link in the description should lead to my Discord server, which is right here. As you guys can see, please do ignore these tickets right here. Ignore these tickets, and you guys should only see this. When you see a start here, what you guys want to do is, if you guys are mainly here for Fortnite devs, just go into the hashtag download section, and then when you guys are here, you guys want to press unlock download, and then it's going to create a ticket. So just press the ticket, and then where it says hello, to receive your download, read below. If you are confused, go into the FAQ channel, which is right here. And what you guys want to do is you guys want to click this link, which is FC Radius, which is me. I will show you guys what to do in a minute. What you guys want to do is you guys want to actually press that link, and it should take you to my YouTube channel, which is right here. You guys just want to subscribe. If you guys are already subscribed, just make sure to type in your Windows and then go and open, press new, and then take a screenshot, and then press file, save as, and then just name this capture 1 or whatever. I'm just gonna name that capture 1, and then we're gonna close out of that. Also, do read this, because unsubscribing will instantly remove your access. If you guys are on mobile, you guys can just do the same thing. Take a screenshot of you being subscribed, and then you want to click the second channel, which is my friend X channel, and do the same thing. Go on snipping tool, new, and then you guys can move this over and take another screenshot, and then press file, and then you guys want to take another screenshot like I was saying, and then you guys can name this capture 2 and press save. Now you guys want to go back onto the Discord server, press the plus, and then you guys want to press upload file, and then when you guys are here, you guys want to do quick access, and you guys want to drag your mouse over these two photos and then press open, and then you guys want to type in the command !verify, and then press enter, and then just wait for the files to upload, and then you should get a message from Carlbot saying scanning image to confirm you have subscribed. If scanning is successful, you should receive a DM from me6, and as you guys can see, through these two images showing that I am subscribed to both these channels, I have received a DM from me6, and it's completely legit, guys. So you guys want to go onto the bit.ly FC downloads, and then press yep. It's gonna take you to a link right here. You guys want to put I'm not a robot, and then press agree, and then when you guys are here, you guys want to click the tractors if it asks you to verify, and then when you guys are here, you guys want to press free access with ads, wait around 3 to 5 seconds, close this out, and then Avast secure browser, install this browser, and then launch it onto your device. You guys can obviously uninstall this, but you guys are definitely gonna have to go through a bit of tasks of Linkvertise to actually finally unlock the Fortnite dev account. Just wait for this to install. Obviously, like I said, you guys can uninstall these after, and then once you guys have launched, it should automatically launch Avast. I will try to change this so you guys don't actually have to download anything, and then you guys can just close out of this and press continue to website. Also, do go into your settings and just make sure that go on default browser, and just make sure that it didn't, sometimes it will automatically choose that as your default browser, so just make sure it's on your old one, and then download website, and then press save. Should automatically download it, and press yes, and then when you guys are here, it should open in a second. You guys want to press next, decline these promotions, and then press open. It's gonna take you to a Beacons AI link, and then from here, you guys, you want to press Rex FM. It's gonna be another Linkvertise, unfortunately, but we're gonna go through the same process. Pretty simple, guys. Press free access with ads, and then close this out, and then just install Avast again. So just install it. Like I said, when you guys are watching this, I'm gonna make it where you guys don't actually have to download these to unlock the link. You will be redirected to a link attached, but you won't actually have to download anything. You will simply just have to, like, it won't even be that hard. It won't be difficult. It will be pretty easy. But I don't want you guys downloading a vast secure browser or any download, because it is difficult if you guys are trying to do this on mobile or other devices other than PC. But just like I said, make sure that it does not automatically choose your default web browser. Make sure if you guys do have to download it, just make sure that it doesn't choose as your default browser. And then press download RexFN, press save, and do the same process. Unfortunately, you guys may have to go through 2 link processes once again, but which should automatically take us to the RexFN Discord server. Just press open, and it should take you to the Discord server, which will automatically redirect you here. And then once you guys are here on this Discord server, you guys want to go into the hybrid downloads, and then you guys want to go onto the custom installer, and then press continue to download. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to press save, and then go back onto the Discord. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go to the launcher, and then once you guys are here, just press I'm not a robot and do the same process once again, guys. Like I said, I actually can't control this link so you guys may have to download stuff for this link. But to get here, you guys won't have to do anything. Like I said, just download the Avast browser once again. In the meantime, once it guys does download, you guys can open the season 20.40 installer, press more info, run anyway. And then when you guys are here, you guys want to enter the number 0, and then where it at, please enter a game file location. You guys want to go on to your desktop, which is right here, press new folder, and then I'm just name this Rex F, whatever. I meant to do RexFN, but you guys want to go onto the folder and then copy the URL and then paste it here, and then press enter. And then it should automatically install all the Fortnite files that are necessary for Fortnite dev. And then in the meantime, as you guys can see, our Avast secure browser did install, so it should have launched, and we can close it out. And then press continue the website. This is to actually download the launcher, so you guys can press download link, press save, double click on the download, and then press yes. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go on to the next, skip all, and then press open. And then it will download the RexFN launcher, so just open it. And once you guys are here, guys, I'm just gonna actually go into my settings once again and disable the default browser, and then it should automatically launch the website. Also, you guys may have to wait a couple of minutes for this to actually install. It could take 30 minutes, but for my PC it only takes around 10 because I have a pretty decently fast PC. And then once you guys are here, you guys should have the launcher, which is right here. And then you guys want to simply press the 3 dots, and then you guys want to go on desktop, and then make sure you press the folder which you installed Fortnite dev on, and then press select folder, and then press log in. Also, make sure you guys do have the console unlocker checked if you guys want to control your FOV. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to press confirm, and then go back and then press launch. Now it should automatically launch Fortnite on the account you just signed in on, and there you guys go. You should have successfully done it through there. There you guys go. You should automatically load onto the Fortnite dev account, where you guys can change your skins in game. For example, we put on the Renegade Raider, and now I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually use the console unlocker. So if you guys want to do this, you guys can just, guys, what you guys want to do is where the ESC button is on the top left corner, you just want to press that. So you guys want to press FN and then press that, and then it should open up a console. And then with this console, guys, what you guys want to do is you guys can type in different commands. For example, the FOV and the you guys can type in the speed. For example, FOV, we could do FOV and then do 90, and then press enter, and it should change your FOV, which is pretty cool, guys. You guys can literally control this. This is literally on a developer account, like for Epic Games. This is definitely cool that they added this feature. For example, FOV 180 should turn it upside down, or it will just completely glitch it out. But I'm pretty sure if you guys want to get your regular FOV, you guys can just put in FOV and then set the number as. And then what you guys want to do is you guys can also do speed. For example, we can load up the console locker, so we could do demo speed and then do 10. And it should make everything faster. As you can see, when we do like an emote or something like that, it will make everything faster. As you can see, it does look pretty funny in game. But yeah, guys, And now if you guys want to gift yourself, you guys can simply just go into the RexFN launcher and then go in the gifting tab. And then if you guys want to gift yourself V-Bucks, you guys can gift yourself a V-Bucks and then type in a certain amount. If you guys want to gift yourself, gift all the emotes, you can just press gift and then press done, and then we'll say done and then press OK. And then you guys want to go into your locker and then simply just change the skin and it should automatically appear with a gift. Then you guys just press open, and then as you can see, I just gifted myself every single emote. But yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you guys are confused, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will help you, or you guys can open a ticket in my Discord, which will link in the description. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.